that was a good one. That actually went quite well. Oh, there we go, here he comes. Oh, okay, so me and Badger are going to go get some fuel and go for a little bit of a ride out. I went for a ride with Jamie yesterday in the intention of making a video, but the only thing that happened really was him rev bombing the crap out of a shop. And, oh, Jamie's 100% going to rev bomb past the shop. So I'm basically going to try and get some more content right now. Wow, that's cool. Well, that was pretty quick on a flat surface. Woohoo! Yeah! Wow. Really? Stopping there? Oh, what was the point of that, mate? Dickhead.
Did you just poop a little?
Huh?
Did you just poop a little?
A little bit. He doesn't look very impressed. Yeah, mate, obviously. I totally agree with you. Okay then. I knew that was coming.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up out of your sleep, wake up out of your sleep, wake up, I command you in the name of Jesus, wake up.
I was like, are you going? Are you going? Would you like to go? No? Okay, bye. Hello? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. You need to look around you. I was going to be nice to you, but you're too pussy to come up next to me. Oh, that was close. We're going on a dual carriageway, guys. It's gonna be sick. We're gonna go so fast because it's downhill. Yeah, what's this cyclist doing on the dual carriageway? 87, 88, I saw that. We are redlining the fuck out of it, I'm so sorry, Sapphire. is a Ssangyong Tivoli. It's one of those stupid, you guys remember the Top Gear episode where they went to China? If you guys watch Top Gear, and they had that rubbish Chinese version of a Mini. I think that's what this is. Because honestly, who would buy something like that? Never even heard of a Ssangyong. It's got 2 S's in the front of it, what the hell? Ssangyong. Look at this trash. Fucking bell end. No, you're supposed to go on the pavement side, mate. Could you wear any more brown? Brown shoes, brown trousers, brown shirt, brown jumper, brown coat, brown hat. What do you reckon his favourite colour is? Is it blue? Sound?
What you doing?
Good, you?
Yeah, what you doing now?
I'm headed over to As the Living. I know I'm on the wrong lane, but...
We're going to Tesco.
Alright.
You want to go with us, mate?
Yeah, that's
No.
sound.
We're going to go through the train station way. Station way, mate. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Nice. Oh yeah, your sound much better than ours. What exhaust you got?
Huh?
What exhaust you got?
Scorpion.
Nice. You're gonna get I only got this a few months ago. I'm gonna get a black widow on it.
Okay, well I don't know who these guys are, but sound.
Yeah, definitely.
I remember riding with you.
Yeah, I know, I bumped into you before.
Yeah.
You've been around quite a lot, to be honest.
Well, I live here and work here, so...
You work around here.
Oh, you fucker.
You want to clean as well?
I only did mine 2 days ago, so I'm not fussed whether you give mine a spray or not, so... Ha! Red means stop! Dick.